Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Well, I need to replace this switch on my 2016 Chevy Traverse. The passenger side front switch is not going down. It'll go up, not down. The door switch on the passenger door itself will go down, no problem. Up, no problem. Just this won't go down. It works on everything else, but not down on the passenger front. So let's watch me struggle through this. Would have been nice if you added some sort of insulation. Maybe there is. Let's see. Still nothing. Oh, busted bag. One of those busted balloons. That's nice. Again, genuine parts. Feels nice. Let's go put this on. Alright, the reason that I'm replacing these switches, passenger front, very hard to go down, as you'll see. Not working. The switch itself over here does work. Driver door switch does work to go up, but not down. Sometimes I play with it. Come on. There, goes down. Always goes up, doesn't always go down. So let's get to it. I've never taken this off. I assume that if you pull up on this, it'll come up. You don't have to take the door panel off. Let's find out. You can use a screwdriver on this, but it's always safer to use something plastic. There we go. I don't think that comes off like that. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay. Let's take the panel off. That thing came off. A couple of those in there. Yep. What I have to do is get T30 star bit. 30 and an extension. There we go. Let me get a magnet. There we go. One down. Two down. All right, door panel up. You can use a screwdriver, but let's try to play it safe. Usually at that point you just pull off with your hands. Alright, this panel behind here, let's open this up. Make sure the door's locked. Alright, stupid me. I didn't hit record. Anyway, push down here, unplug, pull up that white thing, that white part, push down, unplug. And then as you're pushing down on the other side on the buttons, take 4 fingers, you're talented enough, or push down to take it out. And just put it back in, plug it in, push into lock. That's it. And I must say, unlike our 07 Envoy, these plastic clips held up pretty well. None of them broke off like the Envoy did, because with the Envoy I had to get a bunch of plastic clips to replace them, almost every time I took one out. Anyway, well, let's put this thing back in. I didn't show how to detach this cable, but I took a pair of needle nose pliers and just compressed that, pulled it out, and took that out like a bicycle cable. Almost the same thing. These right here. Just pulling that tab, to disconnect them. Just plug right in. Let me just put the ball in there. Clip it in. And this metal will ride. I'll show you in a second. There we go. Try to match up the holes with the plastic as much you can, and go from there. Yeah, one out of place. Oh, it really screwed up. Now the fun part, getting those screws back in. Try with the magnet first. There we go. And since it's not a screwdriver, let's snug it up with this. There. And there. Got them in first. On top. Yep. There we go. That works. Down, up. Down. Up. Perfect. Try them all. Down, up. Down, up. Lock, unlock. Done and done. All right, so that's pretty much all you need to do to replace one of these switches. My driver front went out on me. The down, I could pull it up and not go down. Anyway, these are not expensive at all. The GM version is $40 on Rock Auto. No sense to go cheap on it. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and all that jazz.